Up high. Up high. What do you do? It's gonna get your head. Oh, oh, he's on the ground. Now I want to get him. Did he dodge out of the way? Oh, he got out of the way.
How do you start the fight?
How do we start?
Bailey.
I win. What do you say? I'm done.
Bailey.
Uh-oh, I'm coming down low. Now. Bailey, I'm coming down low. Jump. Oh. I'm coming up high. And Riley ducks. I'm guard. Oh, Mason too. There's balls flying. And the dragon's getting mad. Oh no! He lost his sword. Oh no, a Furby! Oh, you got me. Hey, you got my sword now.